the plan for today is to get this car clean. You guys can probably tell it is filthy. I've not washed this car in probably 2.5, 3 weeks. It has been raining out here in Texas. The weather's been pretty bad. It's about to get cold again, so I definitely want to go ahead and wash the 2 valve before it does get cold. And I pretty much like stopped driving the car for like another 2 to 3 weeks. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn those post notifications. Let's take a little quick drive and get some supplies, and then we're gonna go ahead and hose this car down. Exhaust for the 2 valve, in my personal opinion, is no exhaust. Like, seriously, the boiler tech sounds damn good, but honestly I've been really enjoying the way the dumps sound, like, a lot recently. The drone isn't even that bad with dumps. Like, that's the thing that people don't really get. Oh man, Laguna Blue S5. I'm telling you, man, Laguna Blue S550. Fuck. That color alone makes me want to get an S550. Like, if I were to get like a S550, I still get an MT82 car, as weird as that sounds. I don't think I'd get a 10 or 80 car just yet. I think honestly I'm still at that point where I still like banging gears. Obviously once you start getting faster and faster and faster, I feel like that's when you start saying, okay, maybe an automatic would probably be a better option if you solely care about winning as many runs as possible. I still think I'm in that range of enjoying the stick shift life. I really don't want to beat on the car though right now. Like, it's been so long since I've like actually beat on the car. There's still some like maintenance things I still want to do first. Ah, damn, bro. Woo! I do need to fix my IAC. I want to swap up my intake manifold. I want to do the fuel system. There's a lot of shit that I want to do still with the stock bottom end. And then once I get my fix with that setup is when I'm just gonna throw the built motor in. Damn, this thing is dirty. Look at this. This is bad. This car is filthy. And look at this. Woo-hoo. Man. Let's fix this. Holy shit. let that sit for a little bit. Man, this car is fucking filthy. Whew. The car was truly dirty. So we actually finished washing the car. It looks a lot better, if I say so myself. I do think I need to get the car detailed. It's about that time to get the car detailed, because you can only do so much at a self-service car wash, and I just wanted to get like all the dirt off of it, because like that was dirt that's been on the car for like 2.5 weeks, so that definitely needed to come off. Saying the one thing about the 2 valve that I absolutely love is I don't even have to like drive hard at all to get enjoyment. Like with my other car, I have to be ringing it out 24/7. This car, I can literally cruise. I'm cruising at 35 miles an hour and I'm getting all the good noises. That's the one thing you can't beat with the V8. You just can't. My windows are rolled up and this thing is still loud. Ah, damn. Alright, so here is the finished product. I am going to get this car detailed probably this weekend, honestly, because it was honestly so dirty to the point where I kind of want to get a second set of hands on this car. I mean, it's about time that I get this thing detailed. It's been, at this point, 100% over a year since I got this car properly detailed, so go ahead and get this car taken care of. Now I'm going to have to crack open these headlights and swap my other ones in, because obviously I'm a condensation guy in here, but it is what it is. Overall, not too bad. I mean, from what it was before, it was bad. It was real bad. Now, before you guys say anything, I do know the car needs to get lower. I'm actually gonna be lowering the car too. I got some H&R Super Sports going on. I mean, this is real bad. Real bad. So that's gonna get dropped. I hope it doesn't drop it too low, because obviously we got the intercooler, the long tube headers, so I don't want it too low. And honestly, I'm not really about that low life anymore. I was for a while, but now I'm kind of just like practical stance, and I don't want it like drop to the point where it's a pain in the ass to drive the car, especially out here in Houston. So hopefully don't go too low.